Well, check your calendar. Believe it or not, you have less than 2 months to get your taxes done and in the mail. And if you're like most of us, you could use a little help. Today, we have a wonderful opportunity for our military veterans, a free tax filing service. We have Abby Reynolds, a communications officer for the Military Veterans Resource Center with us. So welcome back, Abby.
Thanks for having me again.
Listen, the Military Veterans Resource Center, first of all, does so much other than what we're going to talk about today. So just explain a bit about the great work you guys do.
Yes, we're a nonprofit organization based here in Columbus, although we also have centers in Dayton, Findlay, Chillicothe, and Hamilton, Ohio. And we provide employment and supportive services to veterans, service members, and their families.
And that's important, the families too. This is a well-rounded, big program that really helps everybody get through that next stage of life.
Exactly. Our motto is that as long as it's helping the veteran, we'll help the family member as well because they serve our country too.
All right, Abby, you have this free tax filing service for veterans, which sounds awesome. Tell us what's included in it.
Well, we are partnering with the Ohio Benefit Bank to offer free income tax filing services for veterans, service members, and families. Our only requirement to receive this service is that spouses filing jointly have an adjusted gross income of $95,000 or less, and everyone else have a income of $65,000 or less. So as long as you meet that range, you can come in and make an appointment with a tax counselor, and it only take about an hour of your time, and then you're good to go for a whole year.
All right, that sounds perfect, and I like that it's not really a one-day event, rather this ongoing service. So you kind of, though, do need to make an appointment.
Certainly. I mean, you can do it online through our website. We have a link to the Benefit Bank with the steps of how to go through the process. So it really is available if you don't want to come in. However, we encourage people who feel like they're going to have questions about what information to put in and how to put it in to make an appointment with us. And so our office hours are 8:30 to 4, Monday through Friday, but we're also going to be offering some weekend and evening hours coming up in March for those who can't make our regular times. And so if you'd like to make an appointment, you can call 614-636-4634. Or just Google Military Veterans Resource Center if that's too much to remember at the moment.
Right, that's the easiest way. All right, Abby, so if somebody's getting ready, they're going to come here, they make an appointment, what kinds of things do they need to make sure to bring with them?
Well, if you're a service member or a veteran should bring proof of service, and so we're going to ask for that right away. But then you also want to bring in any relevant income documents, such as a W-2 or a 1099. And then also it's important to write down your personal information too, because actually the #1 reason the IRS will reject a tax return is because of the wrong Social Security number. So even having the details written down so you can make the process go faster when you come in. And for a full list of documents, they can see that on our website at milvetsrc.org/taxes.
Okay, and the other thing I want to talk about is that you have these tax experts that specifically really are working with these veterans, and so they know what to look for, right? They know what kinds of deductions they would qualify for in that aspect, right?
Absolutely, because veterans and military service members that are active duty, have served overseas, in the last year will have certain deductions that they could qualify for. So it's important that they come into us so that they can speak with somebody who's knowledgeable about the topic and make sure that they're putting their information in the right way.
Okay, and there can be a lot of questions when it comes to taxes.
Oh, yes,
anybody who's done them knows that, so it's probably best to give it a call, maybe come in and talk with somebody. Now, your resource center, you also do so many other things you mentioned at the beginning. So do you have anything coming up, anything else I should say coming up?
Sure. Well, the tax service is going on until Monday, April 18th, so it will keep us busy for a while. But we also are very excited. We just brought a counselor on staff for the first time, so we're going to be providing mental health counseling for veterans and also marriage counseling he can help with as well. And so that's going to keep us busy too, and we're also having several veterans career workshops coming up in the spring. So if you're a job seeker out there who's a veteran, we encourage you to check out our website. Those dates will be posted soon, and we can help you connect you with a military-friendly employer in the area.
Okay, that is perfect. You guys do so much for our military vets, so thank you for what you do.
Thank you.
And if anybody, again, any military veterans want to, call the number on the screen, visit their website, find out the information, and then set up an appointment. It's as easy as that.
Yep, that
All right.
sounds good.
Thanks, Abby.
Thank you.